Mag-intro muna ako. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit and like the notification buttons on so I can continue sharing my travel journey to all of you guys. Hoy, may bago akong kinaaadikan. Ang sarap-sarap niya sa parata. Parata. How do you call this?
Halwa puri.
Halwa puri, okay. Good morning from Pakistan, from Cayo Toretto. The ilog is iloging, the river is rivering, the weather is weathering. Masaya, maganda yung Pakistan. Mag-Pakistan kayo. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. May gwapo o wala, na-enjoy ko yung nature ng Pakistan. Pero pag may gwapo, bonus. Do you see what I see? It's gonna be our first stop, Ushu Forests. Uy, maganda to, sobra. Ang ganda, sobrang super ganda to. How you know what I'm doing this? Because I want to bring my friends as well here. And when they come here, or anyone, even if not my friends, yung gusto lang sumama sa trip, I want it to be as smooth as possible. Ako na yung bahala sa stress for now, you know? Yung lahat ng pinagdaanan kong stress, pakikipag-away, pakikipagbaka, ako na muna yon. Para pagdating ng mga friends ko, yung mga gusto mag-tour dito, parang smooth na, di ba? No. Hi, may Rashid pala. He was the local I met few days ago. Gusto ko pa magstay dito. May nakikita akong camping tent. Hala. Iba bucket list ko na lang muna yan. Ilistahan muna natin yan. Things to do next time, ganon.